Welcome to Top Best Picks. The best Cleanit car scratch repair kit is probably one of the most sought-after car care products for those who want to restore their vehicle's paint without spending a fortune at the body shop. Today, we're diving deep into this kit, exploring its features, ease of use, and overall effectiveness in tackling various scratch types, from minor surface scratches to slightly deeper scuffs, and ultimately determining whether it lives up to the hype and is worth your hard-earned money. Number 5. TORQX Scratch Repair. It easily removes light to medium scratches, swirl marks, and water spots, dramatically improving your vehicle's appearance. See the difference it makes. This product is formulated with protective resins to seal the repair, providing an even appearance and clear coat shine that lasts. It blends seamlessly with the surrounding paint. No professional experience is needed. You can apply it by hand with a microfiber towel or use a polisher for a machine application. It's safe for all paint colors, delivering impressive results on both dark and light finishes. Get ready for a stunning finish. Remember, it's not for vinyl tops, wood, vinyl wraps, or matte paint. Always test it on a small, hidden area first before applying it to the entire surface. What we like. It's incredibly simple to apply, no prior experience needed. Plus, it's safe for all paint colors, so you don't have to worry about damaging your car's finish. If you're looking for a quick and easy solution for minor scratches, this is the perfect choice. What people say. After the first application with a microfiber cloth, I already saw a difference. After the fifth, I was majorly impressed. I was able to buff out the small surface scratches completely. The deeper ones, I got the yellow paint out and made noticeable improvements. This product will only remove the very slightest smudges scratches. It will however make any scratch or swirl mark look significantly better. As long as it's not down to the paint, or completely through the clear coat. It's simply not possible. The product worked on specific scratches, i.e. horizontal scratches and paint transfer scratches. It did not work on vertical scratches, even after several attempts. Number 4. Chemical Guys BUF 612 TORQX Polisher Kit. This kit is designed to easily remove scratches and swirls from your car's paint. It's perfect for restoring that showroom shine. It effortlessly tackles light to moderate defects like scratches, swirls, and oxidation. Watch as it restores your paint's gloss and depth. The TORQX polisher offers simple controls and a durable build, making it easy to achieve a flawless finish on various surfaces. With the included VSS one-step compound polish, you can cut through imperfections and then finish with a brilliant mirror shine in a single step. This kit provides everything you need for a professional level polish. Get ready to transform your car's appearance. It's easy to use and delivers amazing results. Say goodbye to imperfections and hello to a stunning, mirror-like finish. What we like. This kit gives you total control over the polishing process, making it easy to achieve professional-looking results. It's a one-step solution that cuts through scratches and leaves a mirror-like shine. If you want professional results and enjoy a bit of DIY car detailing, this is for you. What people say. I tried taking before and after pictures. They just do not do it justice. My SUV is 14 years old. It's not beat up by any means but has been used. I had a temporary tarp carport that did its job, initially. The wind got a hold of it and did a number on the paint job. The front and back looked hazy from the beating it took. I started with a small area in the back and worked my way through each compound. When I finished, before waxing, I could not believe how good the paint job looked. There are a couple places with scratches that are almost undetectable now. In my case, it took a little time to work through the 4 compounds but the results were absolutely worth it. The smell of the polishing pad lubricant was pleasant. The polishing pad cleaner really good. It didn't take much to get the pads looking brand new. Been detailing cars since the 80s. I've had other buffers polishers in the past. This one is very smooth, not too much vibration or noise. On-off switch in a funky spot but easily overlooked due to polishing results. No swirls. I have a deep blue Subaru Legacy. Dealer took through car wash after I said no thank you and got the swirls. Swirls easily came out with very little pressure. Highly recommend. So far I've only applied a layer of butter wet wax with the orbital but it definitely made a difference. This is my first orbital polisher, but I'm definitely glad I purchased this particular one. The towels that come with it are great, and the lubricant is a must-have for removing swirl marks and paint correction. The citrus pad cleaner is a nice touch as well. It makes the pads near new with a bit of warm water. It has a good warranty, and it also feels well built. It has plenty of weight to it, so you don't have to use elbow grease to push down, just let the weight of the machine do the work. You really can't damage your paint with this buffer unless you left it in one spot for several minutes, but why would you do such a thing anyway? Number 3. New Finish Car Care Kit. This kit will give your car a showroom shine. It's easy to use and provides long-lasting results. It effortlessly removes scratches, restoring your car's paint to its original beauty. Watch those imperfections vanish. This polish provides a brilliant, long-lasting shine that will keep your car looking its best all year round. Just one application is all you need. First, use the scratch remover to buff out any imperfections. Then, apply the polish for a dazzling shine that lasts. You'll see a dramatic improvement before and after using this kit. It's that effective. It's incredibly easy to use. Just wipe it on, let it haze, and then wipe it off. You'll be amazed by the results. What we like. Get a showroom shine that lasts with this simple two-step process. You'll see a noticeable difference before and after. If you want a long-lasting shine and easy application, this kit is perfect for you. What people say. The wax product is excellent. Seriously, if I could rewrite the instructions for me, it would be the following: get a damp, non-lent, cloth. Shake bottle through half a song of choice. Pour decent amount of product on cloth. Wipe in circular moment with quick ease. Let dry to white haze. Easily wipe off haze with clean cloth. Beautiful shine, smell good, easy to use, and well worth the money. The Scratch Doctor is excellent at removing surface blemishes, bugs, road tar or what have you. The Polisan leaves a really nice shine and lasts me all year. They are easy to apply and remove with no hard rubbing. Number 2. 3M Scratch Removal Kit 39071. Does your vehicle have unsightly scratches? This kit makes quick work of light paint damage, restoring your car's finish. It's a simple 3-step system. First, it sands, then compounds, and finally polishes the affected area for a professional-looking result. This easy-to-use kit includes all the special supplies you'll need for a complete repair. No need to buy anything else. The first step gently removes the imperfections. It's designed to be user-friendly, even for beginners. Next, the compounding step smooths the surface, preparing it for the final polishing stage. Watch those scratches disappear. The final polish brings back the shine, leaving your vehicle looking flawless. It's the perfect finishing touch. It's amazing how easily it restores the appearance of your car, truck, or van. You'll be amazed by the results. What we like. This kit uses a 3-step approach for a thorough scratch repair. It's designed to remove light scratches and scuffs, leaving your car looking flawless. If you want a professional quality repair, this is the option for you. What people say. Now for the actual process and results. It's rather simple. First, you clean and dry the affected area. Then, use a spray bottle to wet the area and the abrading sponge, small square of sandpaper, that the kit includes. Use the sponge to sand away the scuffs, spray and wipe repeatedly until scuff scratches go away and become dull. Now you have to use a bit of the gloss restoring compound, and use the cylindrical sponge to apply it to the dull areas from the previous step. It was at this stage that the affected area already began to look like new. I have a 2019 Ram 1500, silver in color. I had a long scratch on one side of the truck. This product worked like a charm. Absolutely no more scratch. I had another smaller but deeper scratch above the front passenger tire. Once again, this product worked. No more scratch. Just understand that if your scratch is too deep, then the product won't completely get rid of it. The results were excellent, and the scuffs are completely gone and paint condition is as good as new. The scratches are totally gone, it looks like new. If you look at very specific angles in the right light, you can just about see some very slight indentations where a few scratches were, but the edges are very softened and there's no color difference. Basically you can't see them anymore. Number 1. Car Scratch Filler Kit. Do you have unsightly scratches marring your car's finish? This kit makes repairing them easy and affordable. Let's get started. It includes everything you need: putty, sandpaper, a sponge, and a scraper. You'll be amazed at how simple it is to use. This putty adheres strongly to your car's surface, even on deep scratches and pits. Once dry, it's harder than the car's metal, providing lasting protection. It's resistant to extreme temperatures, so it won't crack in summer's heat or winter's cold. Plus, it's incredibly durable and easy to clean. Use it on bumpers, wheels, or any surface needing repair. With a 2-year shelf life, you'll have it on hand when you need it. This kit empowers you to fix those annoying scratches yourself, saving you time and money. No special skills are needed. Remember, this putty fills scratches, it doesn't restore the original color. But it's a perfect first step to a flawless finish. What we like. It's perfect for tackling those pesky deep scratches and pits. This kit is a complete DIY solution, providing everything you need for a lasting repair. If you have deep scratches and want a long-lasting, durable repair, this is your solution. What people say. This tube was more than enough to fix it. The end result was great. Easy to apply, dries fast, sandyable. It worked perfectly and made a completely invisible repair. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.